another G-Body's Junkyard video. So, spotted this one a few days ago. Just got up to the yard in Aurora. So, I was like, let me go check it out. Robbie, he actually stopped by. He was in the junkyard, stopped by, checked it out previously. But I was like, I still want to get my G-Body and junkyard video going. So, it's a 78 Cutlass, I believe. So, I'm going to head up there, check it out. It looked pretty solid a couple days ago. Looked like everything was there. I think Robbie got the door panels or something from it. So we'll see what's left. Like I said, it's probably been 4 days now. So I'm gonna head up there and I'm gonna see if this little free visit I got from the Classic G-Body Garage Meet. They're sponsored by u-pull&pay. So I'm gonna see if that works for them. It didn't come in the little goodie bag from the show, from the entry. So, you know, a little swag bag. Got some koozies in there, some stickers, a frisbee, and the hat. The bag's a nice touch too. So I'm gonna see if this works. It says just the ones in Ohio, but the lady said just let them know and it should work. So yeah, the hat's not bad either. So I'm gonna head up there, check out this Cutlass, and hopefully I can see if the one in Denver, if they got that El Camino or not, because I didn't see it in any tow yards. So I'll see if they could check their inventory. I checked it online, seeing if their computer's a little bit faster or something. So we'll see. But the truck's sounding pretty good so far. Not really hearing any tick. Well, you hear that little lifter tick, but I think I'm gonna swap the spark plugs out also to do a little maintenance to it. So I'll get spark plugs and oil change. So stop by the parts store or get the oil from Walmart. It's a little cheaper, but get some spark plugs, get some oil for it, get it back to the house, swap those out, and hopefully it sounds like it should. It's running fine. It just sounding a little off, and put some miles on it, make sure that check engine light doesn't come back on. But let me stop talking, get my tools, and head up to u-pull&pay. Alright, so here we go. See, somebody already got the grill. I think Ernesto told me to check for I think there's supposed to be an A on the core support. It'd be aluminum. I'm not seeing one, so that's a no-go. Mirrors, decent. Was a T-top car. Get these upper panels. It's not bad. Broham. Brom, whatever you want to call it. Side mirrors aren't bad. Well, the glass is. But I just want to come up here, see what was there. Like I said, I had the free entry, so why not? These are a little cracked, but I don't know if somebody could use them. Seats look like under here. They're all worn out. I just grabbed the whole glove box door. That might be worth it. Another thing I wanted to check was the rear end. Tough to check without. Car being in neutral. I'm not seeing a tag for posi, so I'm assuming it's not. I already got the window trim. Yeah, not much else up here. Just want to come check it out. Like I said, Robbie sent me a video. Had all the stuff. Well, when it first came in, that first day. But obviously somebody's gone through it since. Really, I could check. See if these are longer than the Elcos that rod here, so I don't have to make my own. But yeah, the lock and glove box. This is tempting right here. Or I guess I'd still need a screwdriver or something to open it up. So I might just keep with what I have. But yeah, that rod is tempting. Let's see something. Yeah, it's open. It's open. So that's a no-go. Big springs back there, and the heavy duty ones. But yeah, not much else up here. I don't think I need anything from it. I don't think. See, rubber tractors are off. A little bit of trim around there. I don't know if that's the same trim as on the Monties or not. But I'm not gonna worry about that. The deck lid seems pretty decent. I like the little racing stripe they have on it. But yeah, some decent parts up here. Not too many left. I think somebody knew what they were looking for. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Just want to come up, check it out in person. Like I said, I had that free entry from the Gbody Classic, so I might as well use it on something. I'll still keep an eye out on the one in Denver, see if that El Camino pops up in it or not. Kind of hoping it is, because it has some good parts on it, but I was like, it's my day off. Let me come check this one out. See if there's anything I could use. And it's right around the corner. So what I'll do is run to the auto parts store. Ravi just hit me up, said he's going to start with the motor on the Monty today. So I might swing by there and just have some fun. But yeah, there's nothing I need from here. The fender supports, there's only one of those. Just little stuff. Just little stuff you could always find up here. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I don't think I can cut you guys back on at the house because I'm not getting anything, but yeah, that's it. Alright, just have to cut it back on. You don't see these too often in junkyards. I believe it's the H3. Could be the H2. But I believe it's the H3 where the rear drive shaft, or the drive shaft for the rear, not the front, is the exact length you need for a Gbody 4L80E swap. I believe it's the same. So I'd have to double check. But I know somebody posted on the Classic Gbody Garage page one time, like right after I had mine built, about like $600. I think you order these for like $180. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same. Just decided to come check these out. I was like, man, I know I'm about 99% sure it's H3 and not the H2. But the rear drive shaft for these things is the same measurements you need for a 4L80E and a G-body. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, decided to come check these out. That's my first time looking inside one, so they're not too. This one, somebody was looking for something, but not bad at all. Surprised how low these seats are though. Like they're pretty much on the ground. But yeah, this one's a little more basic, but yeah. Check those out before I took off.